Updating your legal name with KeyBank is an important step to ensure your banking information is accurate. Follow these steps to complete the process efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documentation that supports your name change. This may include a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Step 2. Visit KeyBank website. Go to the official KeyBank website. Look for the customer service or contact section to find information on name changes. Step 3. Contact customer service. Call KeyBank customer service or use their online chat feature. Inform them that you need to update your legal name and ask for the specific process to follow. Step 4. Submit documentation. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm the update. After submitting your documents, check back with KeyBank to confirm that your name has been updated in their system. You can do this by logging into your online account or calling customer service again. By following these steps, you can ensure your legal name is updated quickly and accurately with KeyBank.